update of the 1970 TransAm Resto Mod. Always something new. Here is something that's required on the LS motors. Is a coolant recirculator for the heater. The coolant must circulate back even if the heater is not being used. So this valve assembly takes care of that. Here is the auxiliary oil cooler. There is a remote oil filter. Here is the auxiliary transmission cooler. And there is the power steering cooler. Everything, the tubing heavily shielded. Dual fan radiator. And all kinds of wiring.
Just a little.
Michael busily wiring the relay box, and you said, what, 16 relays?
15.
15 relays in the relay box. Taking care of a lot of stuff. For a refresher, here's a 22-gallon fuel cell. 2 batteries in the back and the isolator in the center that in auto mode keeps 1 battery spare for starting. Play a few hours of tunes at the car show with no worries. Midsection of the exhaust was finished, bolted in. One of the headers taken off, Michael?
The header is off because we need to weld on V-band clamps.
Oh, okay. Okay. I was gonna, wait a second. There's only one half the headers here.
Yeah.
Something's missing.
And we
Okay.
also need to weld on an O2 bung
Oh, okay. That's
on
right.
either sides because the ECU will take 1 and then there will be 1 extra one for the dyno.
Okay. Cool. Work in progress here.
And then you got all your fuel and brake lines down there that are all complete.
Yep. Here is the first set of mufflers. There's 4 total. I have never seen an exhaust system welded together like this, Michael. This is great. Guarantees no rattling, right?
Yes. There will be none of that. Can't have this thing rattling itself apart.
Nope.